Thank you, my dear student. To all students who are learning, listening, and adopting my teaching. I start class 10th English prose section. The first chapter is the pace for living, जीने की रफ्तार। इस चैप्टर के जो राइटर हैं, लेखक हैं, वे आर.सी. हचिंसन हैं। आर.सी. हचिंसन, who is the writer who has composed this lesson, is basically a novelist. Belongs to England. He is a British novelist. Why this lesson has been written and why this lesson has been given for you for a 10th class to study, there is a reason and there is a great message why R.C. Hutchinson has written this lesson for 10th class students to study this. R.C. Hutchinson says about a great issues, that is present issues, that is the pace for living. All men alive, all men do their work, but R.C. Hutchinson awares us about the style of doing work. R.C. Hutchinson compares about past work, past men, past doing work and present. I have written some lines on the blackboard. जीने की रफ्तार। R.C. Hutchinson compares between past time and present time. He gives some reasons. He says, what was the style of doing work of men of our forefathers, and today, nowadays, of modern youth? Past time. In past time, all men were in very leisure. They had no much work. They worked, it is true, but the style of working was different from today. In past time, men were slow. Their thinking was slow. Their working style was slow. It was doing by our forefathers in past time. But today, nowadays, the time has changed. समय तो बदल गया है. This is the time of machine. This is the time of computer. And nowadays, all men are working very fast. Their movement of working style is very fast. In present time, men are fast. Their thinking is fast. And all youth in modern time today, all men, all students, all men are working very fast. Their lifestyle, their movement of working style is very fast. R.C. Hutchinson captures this issue and he wrote a lesson about this. Because this is a very burning issue for us nowadays. What a student to do for getting life, getting living, he has suggested us through this lesson, the pace for living. He suggests us and compares past time and present times. तो पहले के लोग स्लो थे, धीरे धीरे सोचते थे, बहुत कम समय था उनके पास, लीजर में रहते थे. लेकिन टुडे, आज के समय में किसी के पास समय नहीं है. Nobody is in leisure. All men are very busy. Why? What is the reason? Because all men are running fast to get knowledge, to get wealth, to get health, all things. All men are very busy from morning to evening. So there is a issue which is useful for us. Slow thinking or fast thinking. We have to decide which is good. As R.C. Hutchinson has given some examples in his lesson, The Pace for Living. In this lesson, R.C. Hutchinson has given some examples. Why R.C. Hutchinson has written The Pace for Living, and what is his message, what he wants to say to us, what is learning, what is message. This is a matter of thinking. Once R.C. Hutchinson was in Dublin. Dublin is a city, and he saw a play, वो एक नाटक देखा. In that play, उस नाटक में there was an elderly old corn merchant. उस नाटक में एक वृद्ध अनाज का व्यापारी था, जो वृद्ध था. And his heart was dicky. उसका हृदय कमजोर था. He had a good family. He had a long family, but all members of his family were deceiving him. His nephew was cheating him. उसका एक भतीजा था, वो धोखा दे रहा था. And he had a wife, उसकी एक पत्नी थी, which was not helping him. He had a notion, उसके पास एक आइडिया था. He had an idea to expend 10 pound on a holiday. And his wife movements was very fast. His nephew was very fast, but the corn merchant was slow man. He was slow man, and all members were very fast. Sometimes he utters, cries, वो चीखता था. He says, I am not unable to pace, to follow the rapid movement of all men around us. वो अपने आसपास में सबकी गति के साथ चलने में अक्षम था. He was unable to do his work. He was unable to complete his work daily at home. All men were very fast, and he was in anxiety, and he was in sorrow, and he was weeping. This was the first scene of that play. When R.C. Hutchinson saw this scene hurted towards the heart of the R.C. Hutchinsons, and he decided to write this lesson, The Pace for Living. Why R.C. Hutchinson wrote this lesson? He wants to aware, वो सचेत करना चाहता है, and he wants to give a good message to youth, modern youth. What does he want to say? He wants to say the time has changed. As the old corn merchant was weeping because he was slow man. His thinking power was slow, and he was unable to do his work, to complete his work. So R.C. Hutchinson wrote this lesson and wants to give a message to youth, to all youth of the world. Time has changed. We have to adopt, we have to follow fast movement. If a boy, if a student, if a man does not work fast, he will unable to get his living in his life. He will not success. He will fail. This is the time of competition. There is a tough competition. प्रतियोगिता का युग है, एक बहुत बड़ी मुकाबला है. And all men want to do complete his work in limit time. Time is limit. So R.C. Hutchinson says through this lesson कि we will have to change our mind. We will have to change our lifestyle. We will have to change the style of doing work. We have to make ourselves as computer, because this is the age of machine and all work are done by machine. A man will be make himself like a machine. After then, a man will be success. So there are slow thinkers, slow men, and there are fast men, fast thinking men. There are two classes. So what is good for us? I have written on the blackboard which is useful and why. Rapid movement is good. Rapid movement helps us to complete our work in limit time, and we can complete our work in limit time. From morning to evening, we can complete all work. Fast movement is good. Rapid movement, rapid action is good to complete our work, but there is a little danger. As you drive bike very fast, there may be accident, but time has changed. At last, R.C. Hutchinson says us, we will have to change our mind and we have to work fast. Fast movement of working will help us to complete our work. If we change ourselves as a hard working man, fast working man, after then we can success in our life. There is a little danger, but it is useful. Nowadays, a man has much work. He can't complete himself slowly without taking help of machine. All men are running very fast. All students are running very fast to get knowledge. All businessmen are running very fast. All men, all type of worker of the world are very busy and very fast. They are running fast. Why? To get knowledge, to get health, to get wealth, to get name, fame in this world. A man wants to himself great. All want to be great. For this, इसके लिए R.C. Hutchinson says कि we will have to make ourselves, we have to make our mind in high gear, high level, and we will have to work very fast to complete our work. If a person is slow, he can't complete his work and he can't success in his life. R.C. Hutchinson gives another example in this lesson. इस पाठ में एक और उदाहरण देता है As R.C. Hutchinson is a novelist, and a novelist writes the reality of issues of human beings. A novel is related all those issues which is real, belongs to human life. He says he gives another example in this lesson. इस पाठ में एक और उदाहरण देता है. आरसी हचिंसन वाज वाचिंग ए फिल्म इन सिनेमा हॉल. सिनेमा हॉल में एक फिल्म देख रहा था. And he was unable to follow the scene and scenery and all movements, all action of the film. He could not understand what is happening on the screen. After some time, he turns towards his wife and asks about the scene. His wife explains and enlightens and explains about the scene and scenery. R.C. Hutchinson says himself, I am a slow thinker. He says, when I go to watch a film in cinema, I feel in hopeless fog. I can't understand what is happening. It means slow man cannot be success. Today, nowadays, he says time has changed. समय बदल चुका है. And nowadays, we will have to work very fast. If a person does not work fast, he will fail. He will not get living in his life. A slow man is like a handicapped. It is the saying of R.C. Hutchinson, and I am also support him. I support R.C. Hutchinson's. A slow man is like a handicapped. एक विकलांग की तरह लोग हैं. One who is not fast and one who does not work fast, he can't complete his work. Because why? This is the time of tough competition. आज एक मुकाबला, एक प्रतियोगिता का समय है. आज के समय में all want to get himself great, all want to get job, all want to be great. In this situation, in a competition, that student will success who will be first. A student, a competitioner who does work as a computer, as like machine, he will get success and he will get result. But at last, R.C. Hutchinson said about something. There is two aspects about this: rapid movement and slow movement. In England, all men are doing their work very fast. They have no leisure. All are restless. all are running very fast. They have no time. At last, R.C. Hutchinson praises India and Indian condition, inhabitants of Indian and India. He says, R.C. Hutchinson says that India is a good place to dwell. India is a good place to live. रहने के लिए भारत एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्थान है. Why? All men are living very peaceful. They are not in puzzle, but Indians are also following the rapid movement and action of a Western civilization. पश्चिम के देश का ही तो ये सब लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं. That is good. So we should follow. It is तो which is useful, कौन अच्छा है, स्लो थिंकिंग या फास्ट थिंकिंग, स्लो मूवमेंट ऑफ वर्किंग स्टाइल या फास्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ वर्किंग स्टाइल. वी हैव टू डिसाइड. हमें तय करना है. एट लास्ट, थ्रू दिस लेसन, R.C. Hutchinson says we have to follow fast thinking, fast movement of working life style. Without it, we can't be success. हम सफल नहीं हो सकते. So this is the message. Why this lesson has been written for 10th class. This is the first chapter. He says, time has been changed and we will have to change ourselves to work as computer. We will have to work fast. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो we will unable to get our living, जीविका. We will unable to get job. We will unable to get success in our life. So now we have to decide. हमें तय करना है. What is the message of this lesson? इस पाठ का मैसेज क्या है, संदेश क्या है? The message of this lesson, the pace for living is we have to work fast but carefully from morning to evening. After then, we can get success. Through this lesson, R.C. Hutchinson compares between past time, present time. We are living in present time, and this is the age of competition. This is the age of tough competition. So we have to work fast and hard. So my dear student, be ready. तैयार हो जाओ. For what? किसके लिए? We have to work hard. We have to work. We have to work. We have to study. We have to start up our work very before early in the morning, very fast, but carefully. If we are not careful in our work, there may be mistake. So that is not good. So I say to all students, be ready to adopt this message of this lesson written by R.C. Hutchinson. इन्होंने जो लिखा हम सबके लिए कि आप सब लोग रैपिड मूवमेंट में आ जाइए, तेजी से काम कीजिए, एज लाइक कंप्यूटर, एज we put on computer button and result comes on a screen. As like that we have to work, we have to think. वैसा ही सोचेंगे, वैसा ही करेंगे, and we will get success. It is my message and I support this because without fast thinking, fast movement, today, nowadays, in this time, we cannot do anything. करने के लिए तो कुछ कर ही लेंगे, बट इस कंपटीशन की दौड़ में we will fail. So, be ready to adopt, to follow this message of this lesson, the pace for living, जीने की रफ्तार कैसी होनी चाहिए आज के समय में, तो फास्ट होनी चाहिए. आज एक और बात का मेंशन किया है आरसी हचिंसन अपने इस पाठ में कि देयर आर सो मेन हु टेक लंच इन इंडिया एंड टेक dinner in New York and take their breakfast in Japan. Within 24 hours, 24 घंटे के अंदर ऐसे भी यहां लोग हैं जो जापान में ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, इंडिया में डिनर करते हैं, सफर करते हैं और अमेरिका में जाकर डिनर करते हैं. So the world has been changed, the time has been changed. This is the time of competition and we have to work fast. We have to think fast. We have to work fast. We have to make our mind top level, high level to think, but carefully. This is my message, carefully. R.C. Hutchinson says, all men will have to work fast to get living in their life. किसी को भी अपने जीवन में अपनी जीविका पाने के लिए, सफल होने के लिए अपने जीवन के रफ्तार को तेज करना होगा ही होगा. I support his idea, but I say also carefully, and I will get success. So this was summary of this lesson. Don't worry, be happy, and we shall complete our course through this channel. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.